product which is from Nova, and this is a curling rod, and this is a curling rod. So if you want to know more about this product, then please keep on watching. Starting with the packaging part, it comes in this carton box. Here the rod picture is shown, and on the front and back side same picture is shown. This side some details are given, and this is a model number NHC 207A, which is the model number of this product. And in this side some details are written that on different languages, but I could only read the English one. It has a power indicator light. It has a temperature control of 120 to 200 degrees centigrade for all hair types. PTC heater with a fast heat up. Super straight style. Never stick to the hair. Yes, so that's all written in the English language, which I could easily understand. Rest of the languages I could not understand, so I apologize for that. One thing which bothers me is that nothing else is written, the pricing part or the manufacturing date. Rest of the things are not mentioned on this box. I bought this box from the Flipkart when the sale was going on, and the MRP of this box, which was listed on this website, was around 2000 rupees, but I got this on sale, so I got a huge discount, and finally I got this for rupees 450. And yeah, so according to that I got a good deal. So let me open up this box and show you how the product looks like. So yes, this is the product which looks like. It has a pretty long cord and a normal socket plug over here, and this is like rotating, so when you twist this rod, this thing also rotates, and it does not tangle with each other. So yeah, this is very good part. And it has one button over here which you have to press it to switch it on like this, and it has two shoes over here which you can easily place it over the table like this. And it has got one, this locking system here, in which you just take a strand of a hair, lock it, and then you just roll it over, and it just curls your hair. Nothing else inside the box, only one instruction flyer is there, in which the details are written, like how to use this, warning, and how to maintain this. The basic things are written on this flyer. That's it. So yeah, I have used this couple of times and I'm just liking it, because if you're a beginner and if you want to try on some heating curlers, then you can give this a try, because it is very easy to use this one, because it has one holding place over here which you can easily hold and rotate it, and it is very easy to curl hair using this tool. So I'm just loving this tool, and it has not made my hair like dry or something like that, and I could see a very nice curl when I use this tool. So overall this is a nice product. I like this a lot. So now let's move on to the demo part. I'm just going to switch it into the switched it on, and when I press this, as you can see, a light comes on, so it means that the power is coming in this tool. So I'm just keeping it for a few seconds. By the time I'm just going to spray my heat protecting. This is from Toni & Guy, so I'm just going to spray it all over my hair to protect my hair from heat. With the help of a big paddle brush, I'm just going to brush out my hair so that the heat protecting spray distributes on my hair evenly. Like this. Now I'm just going to section my hair like from ear to ear part, and I'm just going to make a bun over here, and with the lock clip or clutcher I'm just going to secure it, and rest of the hair I'll just take in front comb it a little bit. Take like around 1 inch thickness of the strand, like so. And this is on, it has like heated up pretty much well. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to like push this down and place the end of this inside this, and I'm just going to roll it over. And I will wait for around 5 to 10 seconds and then I'll open it. And to release it, you just have to take it off. And as you can see that I have got very nice curl over here. As you can see, yes, this. I am just liking it. Let me show you the another strand as well. Keeping that back side, taking 1 inch section and curling them, holding it in this, and now curling it. You have to tightly curl this so that the hair strand can, you know, stick around the rod nicely. And if you feel that the heating tool is producing too much of heat, just switch the plug off. And so yes, as you can see that it has given me a nice curl. So repeating the same process, I'm just going to do rest of my hair and I'll come back. So yeah, after curling my hair, it has given me these curls. As you can see, I like these kind of curls, and I'm happy with the result which it has given me. And if you can see that I have curled my bangs outside, so it becomes like this. So I'm pretty much happy with this product. The only thing is, if you have a very long hair, then this much curling will not be enough. You have to do it in 2 parts, like first half this much length and then the rest of the length. Otherwise I like this way, like this much straight and then wavy to the ends. So I'm just loving this product. This is like reasonable, pocket friendly, travel friendly as well. And for a beginner, if you have a beginner then and you want to try some curling rods, then you can definitely go and try this one. It has given me a nice shine to my curls. If it is visible on the camera, let me show you if this is visible. Yes, so I'm pretty much happy with this product and result. If you have any suggestions, then please do let me know. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.